Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple. I'm ready to document another week in my 2024 Project Life album. This week I'll be documenting week 6, and for this week I will be using Studio Calico's Wink Wink digital kit. So here I've already printed out my cards, and I already arranged my pictures where I think I want them and slowly just rearrange the cards here. I'm waiting for my Elle Studio February kit to come in the mail, so I'm hoping that I get it sometime this week, just in time to document week 7. The only Elle Studio element that I have here is this card on the right hand side, the Valentine one with a purple label, and I do use a couple of the stickers and puffy labels stickers. So yeah, this week I'm gonna go ahead and use a couple of different protector sheets. This one has a flip from the other side, but I turned it around so that I could use my 3x4 card. If you guys don't already know, I have a free downloadable 3x4 weekly card set for this year. If you want, go ahead and check it out in my description. There's a link, click it and print your free labels. Not labels, cards. So yeah, and if you guys do use them, tag me. I would love to see your creations. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through my week. The first picture on the other side is a picture of my hot cocoa at work. One of the students' parents brought in a hot cocoa mix, and it's so nice because when it gets pretty cold, and it kind of warms us up there. And then the bottom picture is a 3x4 picture of me at work. I work at a high school, and so usually we're walking from the NPR and back to our classroom, and so usually document the walks. And then I like using the WeatherShot app, so it documents like the weather and the time and all of that. So I absolutely love to use that. On the left hand side is a picture of a 4x6 picture of my husband and his friends. We just recently got a pool table and invited his guy friends to come and shoot some pool. They had pizza and whatnot. Had a great time. And then the bottom picture there is a picture of our table. My husband wanted it to be like where people can write a message or write, whatever they want. So really initially wasn't what I wanted, but my husband is just very eclectic like that and likes to do things out of the ordinary, so I'm encouraging that. So I thought it was romantic because he put a heart and he put R+D and put in the date that we got together. So when we were dating, established 1997, because we are high school sweethearts, and so yeah, I thought that was very romantic. And so I used some chipboard from, I'm trying to remember what it's, Lawn Fawn? No, not Lawn Fawn. I can't remember now what it's from, but it's an older chipboard set. And then I use on the right hand side, it's a little bit about me. The top picture there is the day that I weighed in. I don't know if I told you guys, but I probably posted on Instagram. Me and the gals at work, we decided to do a Biggest Loser challenge, and we were weighing in. This is our second weigh-in, and I was super happy because so far I've lost a total of 7.2 pounds. Woohoo! It's pretty awesome because it's been really, really hard trying to say no to food because, I'm trying to make it a point to be healthy. So, I mean, it's hard, but then, it's got its good parts of it, I'm just looking forward to losing the weight and feeling comfortable in my clothes. So I'm thinking about that. Anyway, the bottom picture there is my Thursday 3 picture. It's just a picture of me at work. Excuse me. I usually do most of my pictures at work. So for this, I didn't really have a card that I could use because it's a 4x6 vertical. And so I just got this cute little polka dot yellow scrapbook paper. I believe it's from one of Paige Evans', I can't remember if it was Bungalow Lane, one of her collections, and it's like a yellow ombre color, and I decided that I would use some of my planner stickers because I have tons of planner stickers, and I still do have a planner, but I don't really take time to decorate anymore. I'm just like more of a practical user now. I used to do the weekly layouts, but now it's just all business now. So I thought, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some of these stickers that are just here collecting dust. And so I saw a couple of these stickers. I thought I could use this for my Thursday 3. And I kept going back because I felt like I saw a turquoise one with the heart on it, but my mind was playing tricks on me because I couldn't find it. And I was like, did I imagine it? So I do apologize for the constant going through these little pages here looking for that sticker, because I was like, oh my gosh, I could have sworn that I seen it. So I opted just for this plain turquoise label sticker, and then I just jotted down my 3 right now at the moment. And then these are stickers that I received from some Happy Mail. I can't remember what her name is, but she's Lovecraft, I believe, on Instagram. She gifted these to me last year, and I thought, Valentine's is coming around and I can use these. So I took those stickers, and I decided that I would use these little heart stickers since these other 2 label stickers had hearts. So I just quickly, journaled about my Thursday 3 here. And then the following sheet over is documenting my Pretty Pineapples card making group. We get together every month, and we have a different card challenge and theme, and then we have a different food theme and stuff like that. And so it's just so much fun, and I love my girls, and I always look forward to hanging out with them. So we had our Galentine's meetup, and that was super fun. I wish I could have printed out all the pictures, but of course, you only pick your top pictures in your albums. I think I almost have to do a mini album of that because it was just so much fun. These 3x4 pictures here on the sides is a picture of my Pomeranian Milo, and Amy, who is Crafty Chaos here on YouTube and on Instagram, she gifted us these cute little heart glasses. And my daughter was holding Milo, and she's like, let's put these glasses on Milo. And I was like, oh yeah, that'd be cute picture prop. So I put them on him, and he looked absolutely adorable in them. So yeah, I love those. And this 4x6 card here in the middle is an actual 4x6 freebie from Jen, who's from Syncopation Design. I was on her creative team a couple years back, and she offered these free printables. I think this is freebie day 2. And so I absolutely thought, you know what, this is perfect because it's our Galentine's Day party, and I opted to use that. So I'll go ahead and put her information in the description so you can look her up. I'll put in her Instagram handle. I'm not sure if she does YouTube, but that way you can order some of your own cards, and she also sells stamps. So yeah, I'll definitely put her information there so that you can go visit her shop and order her stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just add this last label here that I had as a tab. I just used a little bit of glue and use my Tim Holtz mini attacher to attach that. So that is this week's. Oh, and then I also decided to add my bingo card because one of our dear friends, Blossom, she decided that she would bring this bingo game for our Valentine's Day meetup, and she even brought a gift, and Amy ended up winning the candle, and so it was super fun. Really nice of her to do. So I wanted to add that as just like an addition to this week's layout. And that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions for me or comments, leave them down in the description below. So I hope that you guys are having a fabulous week. Hope you guys enjoyed this day off. Not sure if many of you guys got it off, but it's President's Day, so we actually got this day off. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys see you in the next crafty video. All right, I'll see you guys then. Bye, guys.